Caribbean cutie. Move on lock in my house and put you on duty. Boy can't call you skate, tell him don't.
Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing this lovely palette from Miskos Cosmetics. If you are an old subscriber, you know that Miskos Cosmetics is no stranger here. Alright, I have a few of their palettes and I use them all the time. So in today's video I am going to be applying some eyeshadow for my mom, and it is going to be a kind of simple look, right? Something simple that anyone can do. If this is your first time here, welcome again. Here on my channel, all of my lovely subscribers are my officials. To become an official, all you need to do is just smash that subscribe button and boom, there you go, you are now an official. So for this makeup look, the first thing I'm going to do is blend out some concealer on the lid, which is going to serve as my base for my eyeshadows. The first color I'm going in with is this burnt orange brown. I can't explain color, sorry, but you could see. I'm going to use this as my transition color, and we are going to be using 3 colors. This is to make it simple for like my beginners, because I have a lot of beginners watching me, and I have been hearing y'all, I have been seeing y'all messages and comments. A lot of y'all have asked me to slow down my videos because I normally just play music and speed it up. Y'all have asked me to slow down my tutorials so that it could be easier for y'all to follow. So I heard y'all, and this video is in real time, nothing sped up. Okay, so I'm going in with this orangish brown color as my transition, and when I apply my shadows I start off light at first and then I build on the color. So those colors are very pigmented, however I go in light and build because I do not want this look to come out very dramatic. Now I'm using the same brush and just blending out the color so that there's no harsh lines and everything looks seamless. The next color we're going in with is this dark brown, and this is our crease color. Like the first one, we're just going to start off light and build on the color as needed. I've also heard you all when you all have been asking for talk through videos. However, this video could not have been a talk through because it was recorded on a Sunday, and on a Sunday my community is very noisy. Everyone wants to play their music. Okay, so I promise you guys that talk through videos are coming soon, so bear a little patience with me. Okay, now I'm going in with the very first brush I used with the orangish brown, and I'm blending the brown and the orange tone together so that there's no harsh line. So we're on color number 2 right now, which is a dark brown. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is my mom that I'm doing the makeup on. I decided to switch it up a little. Normally when I do first impressions or reviews, normally I do it on myself, but I wanted to switch it up a bit. I know probably you guys are tired of seeing my face, so I'm trying to bring other faces onto my channel. Okay, so we're blending some more. You can never blend too much when it comes to eyeshadows. You can never blend too much. Just adding some more of the dark brown to create a little more depth. I didn't want this look to be too dramatic, and I was already losing natural light, so yeah. Blend, blend, blend. And don't look at makeup as something that you would never be able to. I get a lot of comments and a lot of messages that like, you know, makeup is hard, like they don't think they would be able, you don't think you would be able to do that, but it's really easy. It's just 3 colors, guys. 3 colors. You just cannot go wrong with it. You can also use just 1 color, like the orange. You could have just placed that all over the lid, or the brown, but I will like do a few videos showing you how you could achieve a really nice look with just 1 color. If you're interested in that, just comment interested in the comment section, so I would know like who's interested in it, so I would actually know whether I should or should not. Okay, now we're going in with this gold. Can I call it gold? Yeah, I'm going to call it, like, it looks like bronze, like a bronze gold color. I'm going to go in with it on the inner lid where I didn't apply anything. So that's the look basically. Those are the 3 colors that I decided to use, and like, you don't have to use a lot to make something look good. So I'm going to be doing a more dramatic look with this same palette on myself, so look out for that. The glitter comes out really pigmented and really nice. That's the thing about Miskos Cosmetics glitters that I really love. Some glitter palettes are really dry, but theirs are kind of like moist, so when you place the brush on there, it just sticks to the brush, so it's not a hassle at all. So right now I'm just dusting off the setting powder from under the eye. And like I said before, all the products used, the foundation, the setting powder, all of that will be in the description bar. I'm not going to mention it in the video because this video was all about the eye look, not necessarily the face. Okay, just dusting out the powder. I don't like long videos myself, but I've gotten so many comments that I should slow down the video so that you all could follow. So I decided to just listen to my subscribers and just do it for you all. I hate watching long videos. I hate editing long videos, sorry. And yeah, but the people asked, so the people got it. I'm not doing a wing on her because I have difficulty doing wings on hooded eyes. I'm not going to lie to tell you, it's a struggle for me, so I decided not to do a wing. I'm just doing a line on the eye to camouflage the lashes. Highlight time. She looks like she's feeling herself, doesn't she? I know somebody somewhere is going to come in and ask where she's going. She's not going anywhere. We just decided to do this video so that we could review the palette. We didn't go anywhere. And I know throughout this video you are seeing the lighting changing. This is because this video was recorded like 4 p.m. like 4:30, and the sun was setting on us, so we were racing against time basically. This is the hardest person to apply makeup for because her eyes, from the time you get close to her eyes, it starts to water. But yeah, it was nice. I like how the look turned out. Turned out really nice. The lashes I'm going to be using is from my lash line. It's in the Styles Turner. I think I have featured this on my channel before, I'm not sure. It's one of my more popular styles. So I'm lining the lip right now, while the lashes, the glue gets tacky on the lashes basically. So I was multitasking here because the sun was going down. I'm using my Miskos Cosmetics Velvet Lipstick. This is the number 1, I believe, from the palette. I'm going to link the video where I did the swatch on this palette. It's going to pop up right now on the top right hand corner. This is actually her lipstick, so I gave this one to her. I have so many lipsticks that I just give lipsticks away because I don't know what to do with them. Like, I have so many and so many like of the same colors but different brands and stuff like that. So here we go with the lashes. Lashes just add something extra to a look. Like, makeup ain't makeup without lashes. Let me know if you agree. Like, I cannot be the only one who sees that. Like, the makeup looks nice and looks like bomb. It looks lit after you apply lashes. You see the difference? Look at this side and look at the other side. Like, it just adds something to the look. Okay, edges. Let's take a moment to appreciate the edges. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that I helped somebody out and that you took something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some feedback in the comment section. Don't forget the link to the palette will be in the description bar, and also my other Miskos Cosmetics video will be listed down below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and become an official if you have not. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Them a copy now, them a copy then. Every time I step out, me set trend. Crop top shirt, show my belly skin. And my nails and toes, them well then.